Hello and welcome to my loft, and this is a bit of a sad sight. Loads of derailments, and if you look in the far distance in the dark shadow, this is where the dirty track caused the derailment. So it is time to call the CMX cleaner to do its job. This is the pad underneath the CMX cleaner that will rub on the track. First of all, we need to clean up the loco with this cleaner. But unfortunately, even with the alcohol, it didn't work. So we have to go back to the good old method of a track rubber. Here I'm filling up the CMX track cleaner with alcohol, screwing it up, all ready to work on my model trains. The bottom is a bit dry, so just to start it off, tip on a bit of isopropyl alcohol. You can see this is the track cleaner, and off she goes, whizzing round. And after two turns, after going round twice, just look at the dirt, and you can reuse the pad by cleaning it up. And now the vacuum train to clear up any fluff and bits of stone. As you can hear that click as ballast is sucked up. Sometimes it's quicker to go backwards. All good fun with a model train. And the Class 37 is ready to whiz round, no pausing and derailment now. Success. I would really appreciate if you could like this video. It really helps to promote it. And of course, please watch all the way to the end. Sensible speeds with my trains now. Class 50 with Mark II coaches. Donated to me for my 50th birthday from my brother. Quick tour around the whole model railway. And crawling up the steep hill. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you another time in the near future. Bye.